Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Tamiya's Dancing Rider. Here's a look. I'm doing this because I want to take a little bit of a break from building rock crawlers, kind of going back to where it all started with Tamiya. And this is a Trike. If you are not familiar with the Dancing Rider, it's a three-wheeled vehicle, and it seems to be pretty fun. So here's the box. Some info on the chassis. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Alright, here we have the polycarbonate trike body. Got the tires, 3 tires, front, 2 rears. Looks like the sprue parts for the chassis. Sprue parts for the driver. I believe his name is Willie. More sprue parts for some. Looks like it's for the chassis as well as the wheels. Here's some more detailed sprue parts. Looks like the gearbox or transmission cover. Parts of the front there. And a nice bag of parts, Tamiya style. We have a peek at what's inside. Inside here we got the hardware, the way Tamiya usually does it. Nicely labeled. Got the wheels, 2 rears, and the front. Servo saver. The motor. And the gears. Here at the bottom, well, they always include the antenna stick, but I never use it. So this is disclaimer warnings. The mask for the body, as well as decals. the body instructions. And the instructions. Really excited for this to be my next build series. One thing I did notice is that this kit, or at least the US version, does not come with an ESC. So I know they use the standard Tamiya TBLE-01, or is it 02, ESC for, I believe it comes with the Japanese versions or overseas versions. So as far as my build is concerned, I am going to try to use probably just a Hobby Wing 1060 if it fits, and a LiPo battery. So stay tuned for my build series, and you will probably see what I figure out on what to use as far as the ESC and the battery goes. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the build series.